I just want to be outdoors. That's what I really enjoy doing. It makes me want to get up in the morning, so I was like, got to see how I could turn this into some sort of career, and studying outdoor adventure would give you the skills to do that.
So the things that we do in our course, we do the safety aspects to ensure people's safety, ensure that we are safe, and then we get to do the activity ourselves, so we experience it firsthand. So far we've been doing rock climbing, rafting, kayaking, and a bit of mountain biking, and so we're just outdoors majority of the week. It's wicked.
The lecturers are real good, really get that hands-on learning, and your classes are small, so you can get that support that you need to get to the industry standards that are required out there.
From the start of the course, we didn't know anything basically, and to see how far we've come, you pick up the things really quickly because of the good instructors and showing us how it's done and how to do it properly.
I would absolutely recommend the outdoor adventure program to people, so many different outdoor opportunities through this course, learning those skills that you need to be a commercial guide. And to have Central Otago as my classroom, it's just been mean. Everything here is at your doorstep. You don't have to go more than 20 minutes and you're out rock climbing or kayaking or biking, so I definitely recommend it.